Most men have it backwards. They think they need to chase women, impress them, win them over with gifts, fancy dates, or perfect lines. But let me tell you a secret. That's not how attraction really works. If you want to make a woman want you, truly want you, you have to do something most men never even think about. You have to master yourself first. See, the biggest lie you've been sold is that attraction is about what you do for her. Compliments, flowers, money, good looks. None of that means anything if you don't have your own mind under control. And here's what nobody tells you. Women can sense it. They can feel when you're acting out of neediness, when you're seeking approval, when you're trying too hard. And the harder you try, the faster they pull away. So why does this happen? It's simple. Women aren't just looking at your gifts or your words. They're feeling your energy. They're picking up on whether you're centered or desperate, whether you're calm or chaotic inside. And if you're not steady, if you don't know how to stand strong in yourself, nothing else matters. But here's the good news. You can flip this around. You don't need to fake confidence. You don't need to pretend to be someone you're not. You just need to learn what the Stoics knew thousands of years ago, that the man who controls himself controls everything. So, what does that look like in real life? It means you stop being a puppet to your emotions. You stop reacting to everything she does, her mood swings, her tests, her games. You stop trying to make her feel something for you. Instead, you focus on you. You become the kind of man who is so centered, so calm, that nothing shakes him, not her silence, not her attention, not even her rejection. Most guys can't do this. Most guys panic when she pulls away. They double text, they beg for answers, they try harder, and every time they do, they kill her attraction a little bit more. Because nothing kills desire faster than a man who can't stand on his own. So how do you become different? How do you master yourself so deeply that you don't chase, you attract? First, understand what Stoicism really means. It's not about being cold. It's not about having no feelings. It's about not letting your feelings run you. The Stoics taught that you can't control what happens outside you, but you can always control how you respond. Let's bring this to dating. She cancels last minute? So what? She takes hours to reply? Fine. She tests you by flirting with someone else? Let her. None of it moves you off center. Because when you're grounded, you're not afraid to lose her. And here's the twist. That's exactly what makes you so magnetic to her. Why? Because most men fail these tests. Most men crumble under pressure. But when you stay calm, when you show you have boundaries, when you can walk away, you stand out. She feels it on a deep level. She knows you're not desperate. You're not like the rest. So, let's get practical. How do you bring this stoic energy into your daily life? It starts with your mind. Most guys walk around in reaction mode all day. They let every text, every mood, every little thing shake them. You can't live like that if you want respect. From women, from anyone. Wake up and ask yourself, what am I letting control me today? Is it her opinion? Is it her attention? Is it her validation? Be honest. Because the moment you see how much power you're giving away, you can take it back. Next is your body. Your body speaks before your words do. Stand tall, shoulders back, head up. Breathe deep and slow. When you move, move with purpose. Don't rush. Don't fidget. Don't shrink yourself down to fit someone else's comfort. Eye contact. This is where most men fail. They either can't hold it or they overdo it and look aggressive. The Stoic way: hold her gaze calmly, not to intimidate her, but to show you're here, you're present, you're not afraid to be seen. And when you speak, speak slowly. Don't rush your words to fill the silence. Silence is powerful. Let her sit in it. Now, let's talk about words. The truth is, most guys waste their words trying to impress. They brag, they flatter, they joke too much. But women don't fall for men who entertain them like clowns. They fall for men who see them. So stop giving generic compliments. She knows she's pretty, so does every other guy in her DMs. If you want to stand out, notice what others don't. Compliment her passion, her discipline, the way her mind works. When she feels seen for who she is inside, that's when the walls start to come down. Use her name. Not too much, just enough to remind her you're talking to her, not just any woman, and mean what you say. Empty flattery dies fast, real words stick. Here's another thing, gratitude. Most men overlook this. They take and take and take, but never really appreciate. If she does something thoughtful, acknowledge it. A simple, "I really appreciate that" goes further than you think. But don't fake it. Women feel fake. Be genuine. And here's the final piece for words. Stop apologizing for being yourself. Own your thoughts, your choices, your presence. If you mess up, own it and make it right. But don't bend over backward just to keep her happy. That's weakness, and women can't respect a man who lives in fear of upsetting them. Next comes action. Words are nothing without action behind them. If you say you're calm but you blow up when something goes wrong, you fail. If you say you're independent but you chase her every time she pulls away, you fail. Live the Stoic way. Small, strong actions. If you say you value your time, show it. Don't drop everything for her every time she calls. Have a life. Have boundaries. If she pulls away, give her space. Don't chase. If she tests you, smile. Don't argue. Don't justify. Let her feel that you're not moved. And you see, the real power isn't in controlling her. It's in controlling yourself. That's what Stoic men do. That's what sets you apart. You become the calm in her storm. You become the anchor when her emotions run wild. And women crave that more than money, more than looks, more than smooth lines. They crave the man who can stand unshaken when everything else is chaos. So, the next time you feel that urge to text her again when she doesn't reply, stop. Sit with the discomfort. Remind yourself you don't need her answer to feel whole. The next time you feel yourself wanting to over-explain or apologize for your truth, don't. Hold your ground. Watch how your world changes when you do. Here's the truth no one tells you. The more you master yourself, the less you need tricks or lines. Women start to feel pulled to you because you're rare. You're different. You're not trying to win her over. You're living your life. And that's what makes you irresistible. So stop chasing. Stop trying to impress. Stop performing. Start mastering your mind, your words, your actions, and watch how she notices and how she starts to come to you. That's the Stoic way. That's the real secret. Be the man who stands calm while the world spins. Be the rock. Be the mountain. And the right woman will want to stand by your side, not because you begged her to, but because she can't help it. If you're ready to become that man, the man who commands respect and attraction without saying a word, stick around, subscribe, stay stoic, and master yourself first.